So hello friends, welcome back to the Coastal Vlogger channel, and for today's vlog we are going to the Anjanadri Betta. So this is the birthplace of Lord Hanuman, and there are around 600 steps up there. So we have to walk all the way there. We have crossed 200 steps mark.
And
See Sanjay's face here.
trust me, it's exhausting,
Yeah.
but then it's a fun adventure.
Blessy is
view
also
is-
exhausted.
The view is crazy out there.
Yeah, very good view.
View.
Seriously, bro.
Birthplace of Hanuman, deathplace of Blessy.
Seriously, bro. Fine.
Any this comments?
I have only last wishes.
Chris, any comments?
Oh man, look at that view, bro.
Yeah, that's what.
It's worth climbing this many steps because of the temple and the view.
That's true.
It's pretty crazy.
This is the situation of my friends right now. Can't even walk and see the beauty of this hill. We reach the top of Anjanadri Hill. Can't even pronounce the name. So this is the viewpoint. Very beautiful. This is seen properly. Views. That is the main temple there. Here resting area and all is there. Washroom, everything is arranged. North Indians are more over here right now. We are on the top of the Anjanadri hills. So you can see back there is a temple. Apart from that, this is the area, the location of Anjanadri hills. So coming to this corner, now beautifully glassed it out here, and you can see the entire village from here. A lot of people have come to visit this place. You can see there's temples down and lot of rocks here and there, and agricultural lands are to don't ask so many. So this is actually the speciality of this place is it's the birthplace of Lord Hanuman. So a lot of people come here, visit. There's a place to take photos on that side, and this side there's a hall also. So we'll go that side now. So that side there's not much to show because they just break coconuts in the name of Lord Hanuman. Nothing much. Friends, you can see Hampi from here where we went yesterday, and this is the road we came in there down, and the floor is pretty damn hot. The temple entrance, so a very beautiful location actually if you ask me. I'm on the viewing point of Hampi. See, this is the place. Very steep rocks. Should be very careful. I'll show you Blessy, Sanjay and Chris here in the front. They are walking. Here they are going fast. There they couldn't wait.
This is sunset place.
So we are at the top of the hill, opposite to the temple actually. Here also there are trees, and this is the place where Hanuman was born. So here are two twins who are acting very stupidly. So the best part is there's water over here, which is actually
I think it's a
strange.
well.
Yeah, it may be a well, cannot say. There's speciality of each and every temple, that up in the temple there's water, luckily, God knows how. And you can see in this direction, those stones are like they have been arranged on the hilltops. God knows how they are arranged like that. Can fall also, cannot say. And that side and all full Hampi comes. And over there is a bridge through which road we have reached here. And that side there's a bridge which was actually much closer, but unfortunately it had collapsed a few years back. So this is one of the best views I could get here in Hospet district, thanks to my friend Sanjay. And that's the speciality. Chris, you have
Yeah,
to say
bro.
something about this location.
Let me tell you okay, that it's difficult to come up till here, because of the 600 steps, right? 600 steps.
It's very steep.
So it's very steep.
Yeah,
You get very real tired.
Yeah.
You must have at least 3 bottles of water, right?
We have only
And
two and
stamina.
half is done.
And stamina.
Yeah, that's
But the thing is that once you come up here, the view is like
Worth
superb.
It's
Yeah,
worth
it.
It's worth walking 600 steps up.
Yeah, yeah.
Because it's absolutely wonderful.
It's truly wonderful.
It's truly wonderful.
We are like shocked. Like
You guys have to visit this place at least once in your lifetime. You have to come up here,
yeah, that is there. That is for sure.
and you can see that what is that? A floating stone.
Yeah, yeah, floating stone
I
inside
was
the
amazed
hand.
to see that.
I couldn't show that because photography and videography was not allowed inside the temple. It was written Sri Ram on that also. That's a very great thing. So just imagine so many stones was used to build a bridge for Sri Ram to cross all over to Lanka just to bring goddess Sita with him. So friends, that's all for this video. I hope we meet again in another video soon. So until next time, please do subscribe and like, share and comment. Bye.